Now I am taking one problem where focus, vertex, directrix, equation of axis, LLR. Everything is required to calculate. Find vertex, focus, length of latus rectum, equation of axis, equation of directrix and focal length of the parabola x square is equals to minus 12y. If we talk about to compare it with this is the parabola of fourth type and can be compared with x square equals to minus 4ay. On comparing this we can get minus 4a is equals to minus 12 or we can say the answer of a is 3. So the parabola of this type, the coordinates of the vertex are given by x equals to 0 and y equals to 0. So first answer, these are the coordinates of the vertex. Then we talk about focus. Focus for such a parabola is 0 comma minus a. So this will be 0 comma minus 3. We have obtained vertex x equal to 0, y is equal to 0. You can check it from the previous videos that this is the situation. Then for this type of parabola, focus is 0 comma minus a, that is 0 comma minus 3 because a is taken and calculated as 3. Then LLR, length of latus rectum, that is always 4a, 4 into 3 that become 12. Equation of axis, y-axis its axis, so its equation will be given by equation of y-axis, that equation is given by x equals to 0, equation of axis. Now equation of directrix, the equation of directrix is in this situation is given by y equals to a, that means y equals to 3. So I can tell you any kind of problem is given to you, you can compare it with its standard form, then you can find a and then you can recall all informations of that type of parabola and you can proceed to solve any problem related to the topic parabola. Now I am taking an example where focus and equation of directrix is given. Find the equation of that parabola whose focus is 2 comma 0 and equation of directrix is 3x minus 4y plus 8 is equals to 0. If I take here a point S, coordinates 2 comma 0 focus and equation 3x minus 4y plus 8 is equals to 0, this line as the directrix and any arbitrary point p x comma y. We know that this distance PS and PM, that is distance of a point from focus and distance of the point from the line. PS upon PM is known as eccentricity, but for parabola this eccentricity is 1. So we can say PS upon PM is 1, or we can say PS is equals to PM, or we can say PS square is equals to PM square. PS square means distance of the point P from S, that is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equals to PM square means distance of the point P from the line 3x minus 4y plus 8. This distance is 3x minus 4y plus 8 divided by root of 3 square plus 4 square. This is PM, but we need its whole square. So simplification of this relation will give us the equation of the parabola whose focus is 2 comma 0 and equation of directrix is given by 3x minus 4y plus 8 is equals to 0. Now I am taking a question in some different situation where the equation of parabola is required if the coordinates of the focus and vertex are given. Focus is given to us 3 comma 3. Suppose this is 3 comma 3. This is the parabola and this is the directrix of the parabola. vertex coordinate are 7, 9. Coordinates of the vertex are 7, 9. Coordinates of the focus are 3, 3, and this is the directrix. We want to find the equation of this parabola. So the problem is find the equation of that parabola whose focus coordinate are 3, 3 and coordinates of whose vertex are given by 7, 9. How we will proceed? Now I will explain you after removing this question. Problem is we have focus. As we have focus 3, 3 and we have vertex 7, 9. We know that the directrix is at equal distance from the vertex as the focus is from vertex. So if the coordinates are here a comma b, or you can take alpha comma beta, then alpha plus 3 upon 2 is 7. So this implies answer of alpha will come out 14 minus 3, that is 11. And beta plus 3 upon 2 is 9. So this implies beta will come out 18 minus 3, that is what? 15. So in this way, we have obtained what? The coordinates of this location. This location's coordinate now will be alpha and beta has come out 11, 15. 11, 15 are the coordinates of this position. These are the vertices. I can find the slope of this axis because this line seems to axis of the parabola. Slope is given by y2 minus y1, that is, if I say symbolically m, 9 minus 3 upon 7 minus 3, that is 6 divided by 4. We can say it is 3 by 2. The slope of this line, that is axis, is 3 by 2. So the slope of this directrix will be minus 2 by 3 because directrix is always perpendicular to the axis. So we can obtain the equation of this directrix. Y minus y1, that is 15, is equals to m times of x minus x1, that is 11. So we have obtained the equation of the directrix. We have the coordinates of the focus. Focus coordinate are 3, 3. So if we apply the method of ps square is equals to pm square, quite comfortably we can obtain the equation of that parabola whose focus 3, 3 and vertex 7, 9 is given to us. Now one more problem. If a parabolic reflector is 20 centimeter in diameter and 5 centimeter deep, shape will be like this. If it is a parabolic reflector, its diameter is 20, that means 10 and 10, and its depth is given by 5. They are asking find the focus. So this parabolic reflector is given by y square is equals to 4ax. Here this part is 5, this is 10, so coordinates of the upper end are 5, 10. So in place of y, we can state 10 is equals to 4ax means 5. So this is 10 into 10 upon 20 is equals to a. So this implies a is given by what? 5. The answer of a is 5, and in this situation focus is given by a, 0. Hence the coordinates of the focus become 5, 0. And if need be, you can say the equation will be y square is equals to 4ax, or y square is equals to 4 into 5 into x. That is what? We can say y square is equals to 20x will be its equation of the parabolic reflector in the given condition.